Hey everyone, this is Miss Shacklet here, and we're going to go over our long division review formative assessment. I think everybody is close to being finished, if not finished, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. We watched this video over the steps to long division just for a review, and it talked about a fun way to remember those steps, if you remember. So let's just go in, and we answered 4 questions. So the first one is, what are the 4 steps of long division? And those were divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. It looks like everybody got that one right. Just remember that last digit only comes into play if we have a remainder, but for right now, we don't need that. So let's see. On the second one, I'll just go through to make sure everybody got it right. Let's use Ethan as an example. 193 is the correct answer because 5 goes into 9 one time, and that's how we got 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. We brought down our 6, and so on. The only thing, and I'm going to type some feedback, is to go ahead and finish subtracting until you get 0. That way it's just organized and you make sure that you're not dividing more than you need to. So go ahead and send that. And I'm just going to finish grading this really fast. Make sure everybody got the correct answer. Looks good. All right, and there's that response for Ethan there. We're going to go to number 3. If you remember, I inserted a document down here, and it talked about our division terms. And so you read through that, you learned the 4 different parts of our problem. Our question asked, if you're dividing 1080 by 20, what is the dividend of the problem? If we look at our division terms, the dividend is the number that is being divided. So let's view our responses. See, almost everybody got that one right. 1080 is what is being divided. 20, if you remember, is our divisor. It's what 1080 is being divided by. So just remember that. And our last one combines everything we learned in this review here. So let's go through. We had to write out the problem, solve the problem, and then put in the 4 parts of the problem. And Adam only did 3 of them here. We don't have a remainder because the remainder is 0, but I still wanted you to put 0 in as the remainder. And if you would have solved the rest of the problem, you would have gotten that one. Ethan, I like the color. It makes it easy for me to read. Looks good. All right. It looks like everybody got the hang of it. Keegan, 3 goes into 7 2 times, so that should be 24 quotient. But other than that, great job. Our totals, we got a 93 for the class, so that is awesome, you guys. And we're ready to move on to our next thing.